Today's Thursday. I thought I would go into the Goodwill. Very upset to my stomach from this diverticulitis. I hope that's what it is. So I think I'm just going to go in just for a little bit. Maybe look at the caps and hats and maybe shoes and the toys, of course. I'll keep you guys posted on what I find. So I found these look really interesting. So I'm gonna look them up. Kindon. And this, but I don't think I want to deal with it because it's sealed or it's taped up. I don't know if all the pieces are in there. There's always treasures if you just look. You guys, look what I found. If you know what that is, it's I picked up this Assassin's Creed hat for my son and this Angry Birds. But guys, and I definitely picked up that awesome umbrella.
Shake to the left, shake to the right, walk. One more time. Shake to the left, shake to the right, walk. Superstar. La 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 la. Walk. Music's the word. Music's the word. Shake it, birdie. Shake it, birdie, shake it. That was awesome. What's that? What's that? Put your wings up.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Shake your tail feathers.
It's $3.49 for real.
La 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 la.
I got the Gucci and the toy. I'm not sure about these yet. To the shoes, they just put out a whole bunch over here. These bricks are a really cool colorway, and I saw these New Balance, but I could not find the other one, which I was bummed because I wanted to get the New Balance as well. So I'm not gonna get it, but look at Christina Rosamond. Total 1970s. This brings back memories, but comps are not that good. Orange was $1 today at this Goodwill, but I did not find very many orange tags. But I did find this really cool Hawaiian shirt made in the USA. Extra large is a good size to pick up, so definitely got this. And this shirt reminds me of what I'm going through right now. And this cute shirt. These were beautiful candlesticks, but I did not get those today. They were too much for me today. And I picked up a lot of nice things. I'm missing Sassy. Okay, I picked this up for me. And that basket is $1. And I need to look this up. I don't know how much this goes for, but it's a little olive oil dripper. Do you guys think that this would sell? It's vintage, made in the USA. 1984. So I'm done in there. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that. Oh God, somebody wants to pull in. Hold on. That art glass piece is really pretty. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm gonna keep it for me. I have another one like it. And if you guys don't know what Mustang Ranch is, Google it. I found a vintage Mustang Ranch in training too. Night shirt. I'm gonna sell it. It's really cool. It's from 1984. But I hope you guys enjoyed that thrift trip. Until the next one, guys, get out there and fly into profits. I gotta drive home now. Bye.